Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Login. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Eastern Bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search Eastern Bank Login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to www.easternbank.com. It will then take you to the official website of Eastern Bank. There, on the right side of the page, enter your username, then click Sign In. Then enter your password, then you should be able to access your Eastern Bank account. To make login easier for next time, click to Save Username. But I do not recommend you doing it in a public computer. And if you are new to Eastern Bank, you can enroll a new account by clicking to Enroll in Online Banking. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.